everybody, it's Michelle, and I've got a really fun bead charm for you guys today. We're going to be making a light bulb, and you guys may remember my table lamp bead charm that I did a while back, and I just thought this was so cute, and I had so much fun with it. And if you remember, I used that clear teardrop bead up inside mainly as a spacer to hold the bead cap for the lampshade up there where I needed it to be. And I thought that made a really cute little light bulb, but it goes relatively unnoticed up in there, so I decided to make a bead charm that is just the light bulb itself. For the light bulb, I've got a 6 by 8 millimeter teardrop bead, and that's just a clear faceted bead, but I think if you had the clear with the AB coating on it would be really fun. I didn't have one of those today, so we're just using the clear. And then I have an earring back, and that's just the bell-shaped kind, and that's going to be the bottom part of our light bulb that screws into the socket. And that's all we need other than our head pin and lobster clasp. I'm using a 2-inch head pin because I'm going to be making a jump ring out of that, but if you want to bring in your jump ring, you could do that and use a 1-inch head pin very easily. So this is so quick and simple. We're just going to put our earring back onto our head pin first with the small end going downward, and then our teardrop bead pointed end down also, and that creates our light bulb. And I thought that was just so cute. And then we're just going to bend that over at a 90-degree angle, and I'm going to take my wire cutters and cut that down to about 1/4 of an inch, maybe just a little more. And then take my round nose pliers and roll that into a loop. Now I'm going to take my excess and create a jump ring, but like I said, you can just bring in a jump ring if that's what you'd prefer. I like to make mine with my excess. And then I'm going to take 2 pairs of chain nose pliers and open that up, and then just dangle on my light bulb and my lobster clasp, and close that back up. And it is just that quick and simple, and I think it's super cute. So you guys leave a comment below and let me know what you think about my light bulb bead charm. I think it's so cute, and I had a lot of fun with it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a like over on my Facebook page, and be sure to join our Facebook group, Craftie Minds. I would love for you to come over there and share your projects with us too. Also follow me on Pinterest and Instagram, and don't forget to visit my blog. I'll put the links to all of those in the description below, so be sure and check them out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.